Testing. Okay.
Test. Okay.
Muy bien.
And
And welcome to the first ever Luxembourg lesson with Fränz and Mike. I'm Mike McQuaide, also known as an American in Luxembourg. And who are you?
I'm Fränz, absolutely unknown.
As?
Unknown.
How about Biker Dunloo?
Okay. Biker Dunloo.
Okay. Fränz speaks all three Luxembourg's official languages. Show him.
Hallo, ich rede auf Deutsch. Je parle français. Ich schwätze Luxembourgish.
Great. And Fränz also speaks a little English. For instance, last week we were riding our bikes up this really, really big hill. And I was like, oh, Fränz, this is so hard.
That's what she said.
All right. Nice. Okay, so Fränz and I are at the Christmas market here. I saw that you took the microphone over there and it didn't affect my voice at all. Okay. So Fränz and I are at the Luxembourg City Christmas Market. You can see there's all these stands back there. Fränz, what do you know of the Christmas market? Great. Okay, that really filled us in. That told us everything we need to know. Anything else? Okay. So let's get going with our Luxembourg language lesson. Hopefully your microphone is working. Okay, so Fränz, how would I say, my name is Mike, and I'm from America?
Mijn naam is Mike, en ik ben uit Amerika.
Mijn naam is Mike, and what was that, in North America?
Mijn naam is Mike.
Mijn naam is Mike.
En ik ben uit Amerika.
And ich bin aus America.
Right.
Cool. And how would, like a lot of times I say that and people say, where are you from in America? How would you say that?
Voor bist du uit Amerika?
Wo bist du in America?
Uit Amerika.
Wo that, aus America. Okay. And so I would say from Washington State, near Seattle. How would I say that?
Von Washington, aus dem Staat Washington.
From Washington, aus dem Stadt Washington.
Yeah, exactly. Here you have the Washington D.C., that's the capital with the White House, and you have the state of Washington, that's called the Staat Washington, and the other is Staat Washington. There's a difference.
Okay. So Washington D.C. is where the president lives.
Exactly. Yeah, 5,000 k away from there where you live.
Okay. No, I always thought that that the White House was in Washington State, like right next to Bill Gates' house, but that's not the way. No, that's not the case. Okay, cool. What else do we have here? Okay, yes. So switching gears now, we're at the Christmas market, and that Fränz told you all about, all those details. And they serve a lot of great food here, seasonal food here, like the hot wine.
Yeah.
What's that called?
You mean Glühwein? Yeah. Glühwein is hot wine. Yeah, that's a tradition here in Europe, not even in Luxembourg, but especially in Germany and also in Luxembourg. Yeah.
Okay. And then there is the Gromper Kischelcherin, which I'm going to show you one. I'm going to reach down here and get one. Can we see that? There it is.
Look. This is.
Whoa!
This is a Gromper.
Gromper.
Okay.
Pomme de terre.
Okay. And this is a Kischelche.
Ah!
This is the Kischelche.
Okay. So yes, as Fränz was just saying in Luxembourgish, this is the Gromper Kischel. Whoa! Potato cookie, and it's really, really good and really healthy for you. It's probably 90% fat and salt, but oh man, it's so good.
It's delicious.
Okay, well, thank you for joining us. There we go. Thank you for joining us. I hope you enjoyed yourself and even learned something. So this is Mike signing out. Adi.
Adi.
Als Fränz, bis geschwind.
Bis schon.